Hi, hello guys. I'm here again at Travel Vlog. And today is kakanta ulit tayo para sa'yo. Yan. Para may mai-upload tayo. And lagi ko sinasabi is try is the best. Is the best. Yan. Try lang. Ano bang kakantahin natin? Okay. Can you feel the love tonight? Okay. Try ko. Makantahin ito. And kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, hindi mo pa nakiklik yung subscribe button dyan, i-click mo na and i-bell mo na rin para maging updated ka sa mga new upload ko. Okay? See you. Sorry guys, talagang hindi ako fluent pagkanta. Trip ko lang kumanta, di ba? Practice makes perfect. Yan lagi ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Practice makes perfect. There's a calm surrender to the rest of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away, an enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can't you feel the love tonight? Tonight, it's where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can't you feel the love tonight? Tonight, how it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Naks, kumakanta na naman si Ev. Pasensya na guys sa boses kasi I'm not fluent sa pagkanta. Try lang and trip lang for everyone. If the only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope move us all in turn. There's rhyme and reason too, though the world outdoors. When the heart of the star grows silver, beats in time with yours. Can't you feel the love tonight? Tonight, it is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can't you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Naks. Practice makes perfect. and megabands. Believe the very best. Guys, pasensya na sa boses ha kung hindi tama yung tone. Kasi I'm not expert. Sinasabi ko naman lagi sa inyo na hindi ako expert kumanta. Basta, try ko lang. And, ang pagkanta ko ngayon is habit ko na. Para makapag-release ako ng stress. Yan, habit ko na sa aking buhay. And this song is dedicated sa taong nakilala ko na nag-request sa akin ng kantang ito, si Kate. Yan, Kate, kung napapanood mo to, is for you. Nasa na? Yan, practice makes perfect. Pasensya na sa boses, guys. Okay? See you next video. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, bagong pasok ka dito, yan, kung gusto mo, kung napapasaya kita, please comment below para magkakilala tayo and mag-iwan ka ng bakas para mabalikan kita. And kung nakakatulong ito sa iyo, yung mga video ko, napapasaya kita, i-share mo na din para mas madami tayong matulungan, di ba? And mag-like ka and i-subscribe mo. I-bell mo na rin para updated ka sa mga new videos na i-upload ko. Thank you for watching. See you on next video my upload. Bye-bye.